In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs with CapCut. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to generate your audio using ElevenLabs. Start by heading over to the ElevenLabs platform and inputting your video script. This is the text that will be transformed into a voiceover, so be sure to check it for any final edits or tweaks. Once you've pasted your script in, you'll have the option to choose your preferred voice style and tone. Play around with the different configurations until you find the one that resonates best with your project. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click the button to generate your voiceover. Once the generation is complete, the next step is to download the audio file to your device. Once you hit that download button, keep in mind where you're saving this file. It's super important to remember the folder location, as you'll need to grab it quickly in the next step. Trust me, having your files organized will make your editing process so much smoother. Now, let's open your CapCut project. If you're not already familiar, CapCut is a user-friendly video editing tool that's great for both beginners and seasoned editors alike. So, launch CapCut on your device and either open your existing video editing project, or, if you prefer a fresh start, create a new project from scratch. This is where all the magic happens. After you've got your project open, it's time to bring in the audio you just generated. Locate the audio file you downloaded earlier. This part is simple. Just drag and drop the file directly into CapCut's project media window. Just like that, your audio is now part of your project. Next, let's place and sync that audio to fit perfectly with your video. Once the audio file appears in your CapCut project media panel, drag it down onto your editing timeline. Now it's crucial to position it exactly where your video narration needs to begin. Take a moment to play your video and see how well the audio aligns with your visuals. If it needs a little tweaking, that's totally normal. Just adjust the position until everything sounds and looks right. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated ElevenLabs with CapCut for your video project. With great audio driving your narration and a well-edited video to match, you'll surely create something engaging that captures your audience's attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Your support helps me create more content like this, and it encourages me to share more tips and tricks that can elevate your video editing skills. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning